And wearing sunglasses all the time now after retinal surgery. And Griffin, second shot here at the par 5.
Really good.
Oh, what a shot for Ben Griffin.
Yeah, 2 excellent approach shots at this par 5.
Ben Griffin after a scintillating second shot. Eagle chance from inside 7 feet. And the eagle has landed for Ben Griffin just like that. Carson Young, long birdie attempt here at the first. You see the sun is busted out from the clouds for the moment.
44 feet, 4 inches.
Oh, did he really?
Yes, he did.
How about hooping it?